I remember when we were two beautiful birds. We would light up the sky when we'd fly. You were orange and red, like the sun when it sets. I was green as the apple's eye. You said you loved all the songs that I'd sing, but just didn't know. And I said I love you with all of my heart, 'cause we were two beautiful birds. I remember when we were two beautiful birds. We would say when the morning comes, you were silver and blue, like the moon when it's new. I was gold as the summer sun. One day you asked me for a different song, one I just couldn't sing. I got the melody sharp and the words all wrong. Those were the best days of spring.